Now let's take a look at how markets opened this morning. Following Wall Street's tech-driven gain, shares generally rose in Asia as investors awaited Tuesday's critical U.S. inflation report. Japanese and Hong Kong stocks rose, but mainland Chinese and Australian markets fell somewhat, and the latest trades come after the NASDAQ 100 rose over 2% on Friday, driven by a new high for Microsoft. But in the early hours of the Asian trading day, U.S. market futures fell. Singapore and Malaysian markets are closed today because of holidays, and the easing of long-term treasury rates since the beginning of this month has improved the outlook for borrowing-dependent growth stocks. Technology stocks surged again on Monday, as they did at the end of the last week, and the US dollar was unchanged but was trading well below its high after Friday's non-farm payrolls report. Now, investors also shrugged off a Moody's downgrading to the U.S. credit outlook. A late Friday statement from Moody's said that it had changed its outlook on the United States credit rating from stable to negative. But that report received little notice from the market. The spotlight instead remains on readings of U.S. consumer prices and retail sales due this week. And with GDP slowing in both United States and China, crude oil prices dropped on Monday. Both crude benchmarks rose by about 2% on Friday after Iraq's support for oil cutbacks by OPEC+, and oil prices retreated on increased worries about falling demand in the United States and China.